Yo, what's going on, guys? Hope you guys all had a, good day. In chat, we caught over 80 points on NQ today. You can't ask for much more than that. That's a, good day's work right there. This morning, when we first opened up and we were kind of looking at it based on the morning video, I said it looked like we were gonna go take. It looked like we would go take this low. Uh, 14,840 was my first target. And then I said if we don't reverse from there, which you see that's exactly where we reversed, we were going to target these equal lows down here at 14,811. Also, these are the lows from Friday when we wicked down, and this is a 4-hour fair value gap that you see we are still delivering from. Um, so we were targeting at least 840. You see we got our liquidity grab there, and we got a nice long setup back to the upside. We didn't trade any of this, but we're just kind of watching. But that's exactly what we got. And then we knew we had equal highs up here to target at 1510, and then we knew we had these down here. So like we were kind of just waiting for these to get swept or these equal highs to get swept, and then we knew we could find a trade. Uh, that's exactly what happened. You see, like we took these. We did not take Friday's high, which I do think with this close, I do think we're gonna draw back up to Friday's high going into overnight and maybe into the morning. Have to see where price is once we get about 10 more hourly candles posted on the chart. But once the and then what was the first trade we took today was, let's see if we can find it here. So we had lunch highs sitting right here at 14,933, and we took this 5 minute inverse that was sitting right here. Right here you see we got the close above. We got our retest right here. We took a long position right at 14,900, I believe. Yeah, we bought this retest, and then we obviously trimmed. We knew we had equal highs that were in our favor of the direction we wanted the trade to go. We had If we go to the 3 minute chart, you see we had equal highs sitting right here at 917. So we knew we could at least trim and go to break even there, and then so that was right here, and then we held for our lunch highs right here. And you see we took lunch highs and then we rejected. So we rejected there, and then going into the close, we then targeted this high, and we had so came down. We swept this level right here. I think I just grabbed a box. I did grab a box. We swept this level right here. Came, and then we got our nice displacement back up. I said, let's try this. We took a long position right here on this 5 minute inverse because it's the only inverse here. So if this inverse gets closed above, it's likely price wants to at least go back to this high. And you see that's exactly what happened. We took a long position, 14,920. Got a little sketchy here. Never closed below it, so we were still in the trade. And then we ended up taking profit right before close, right a little below this at 950. Could have held for a lot more, but hey, we still caught the nice trade there. So another reason I'm gonna remain bullish. I'll get rid of some of these lines now, so it's not so confusing. All day today, this hourly fair value gap that we're currently in kind of told the story. You see how we just never gave this up today. You see how the bodies respected it very, very well. Kept telling us, like, okay, if we close below this, we fully expected a short to work to these equal lows. We never got it. And then it was rejecting this hourly most of the day. You see like all the wicks we have here, and now we have closed above it. So maybe some kind of retest overnight to push us higher, or we just continue higher back to Friday's highs. But that's why I'm going to remain bullish going into the evening. So I'm overnight. I'm just going to be watching this hourly inverse with this hourly fair value gap, and because these holding and getting close above are telling us obviously price wants to move higher. So the more longer term outlook for NQ, obviously 1560 is the first target, and then depending on what kind of price reaction we get here, if we get a short setup here, I mean we're looking back to these equal lows at 811. If we keep pushing up past this level and we don't get a short setup and prices still moving up with some good momentum, I'm going to be looking for this daily fair value gap sitting up here at 15,150, as we have this daily volume imbalance sitting down here at 15,150, and it starts at 15,130. So that's where I'll be looking next, going into. And for ES guys, pretty much just watching. This was the 4 hour today that this is we rejected this 4 hour today when NQ took those 15-minute equal highs. You see, we kind of came down. We took out Thursday's low here, and then we got our kind of reversal, same spot where NQ was holding this hourly that we're going to continue to watch overnight. So NQ took the equal highs up here. This was the same wick on the 4 hour candle for ES. Took Thursday's low, and then obviously we've got our move back up now. So this 4 hour does not have to hold now. You would expect this to be broken, but we need some confirmation on it first. Let's see it actually close over it. We should form a hourly right here as well. So I'll just be watching the 4 hour, this hourly, and then this hourly is going to form below, and then whichever one of these breaks will tell us what's next. I do want to see what happens right here at 43.38. There are 15-minute equal highs sitting here, as well as if we close O's over there over this, I think it's pretty obvious we're going to go up another 10 points, and there's equal highs sitting here at 43.53 and 43.55 on the 15-minute chart for ES. So that's where I would be aiming for next, depending on obviously what happens with this hourly. So this morning, coming in, I said I would be looking for 43. You know, we were kind of bearish coming into this morning. I said we're probably gonna look at 43.10, and then if 43.10, if we did not get any kind of a reversal, we're probably gonna take Thursday's low right here at 43.01. You see, we took 43.01, and then we got our reversal. So pretty much called both bottom bounces today. So and then we had good alerts to combine with those. So called today pretty well. With that, hope you guys have a wonderful evening, and we will see you tomorrow.